What if you could download a new language directly into your brain? What if your thoughts, your deepest feelings were no longer private? This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie anymore. This is the reality we are stepping into. Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, where today we are plugging into the most complex and mysterious machine in the known universe, the human brain. We are standing at the dawn of a new frontier, powered by a field called neurotechnology. It's a mind-bending fusion of neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and bioengineering that is giving us the power to directly interface with our own minds. The potential benefits are almost hard to comprehend. For individuals with paralysis, brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, offer the genuine hope of moving a robotic arm or communicating just by thinking. We already use deep brain stimulation to treat the debilitating symptoms of diseases like Parkinson's. And we're just scratching the surface. Scientists are exploring ways to enhance learning, sharpen focus, and even reverse age-related cognitive decline. Imagine a future where learning a new skill is as simple as a software update for your brain. It's this incredible promise that is driving innovation at a breakneck speed. But, as with any great power, there comes great responsibility. The ability to read and write information to the brain opens up a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas. Let's start with the most obvious one: mental privacy. If our innermost thoughts and emotions can be accessed and decoded, who gets to see that information? Your employer? An insurance company? Could this neurodata be collected without your consent and used to discriminate against you, or even be weaponized to manipulate your choices and behavior? These are not far-fetched paranoid fantasies. They are the very real concerns that neuroethicists are grappling with right now. Now, let's add another ingredient to this complex mix: artificial intelligence. AI algorithms are essential for analyzing the incredibly complex data our brains produce. The problem is, many of these AI systems are black boxes. We can see the input and the output, but the process in between is often a mystery. This raises serious questions about bias and fairness. Could a brain-based lie detector be trusted in a courtroom if we don't fully understand how it works? What happens if an AI-powered BCI makes a decision that causes unforeseen harm? Who is accountable? Another huge challenge is the slippery slope of human enhancement. Using neurotechnology to restore a lost function, like sight or movement, is something most of us would agree is a positive goal. But the line between therapy and enhancement is incredibly blurry. If a device can fix a memory disorder, could it also be used to give someone a super memory? This leads to troubling questions of equity. Will these powerful enhancements only be available to the wealthy? We could inadvertently create a new, profound form of social inequality, a neurodivide between the enhanced and the unenhanced, fundamentally altering our societies and our understanding of what it means to be human. As you might expect, the commercial market is already booming. Companies are selling non-invasive headsets that claim to do everything from improving your meditation to boosting your athletic performance. While many of these claims are scientifically unproven, this Wild West atmosphere raises concerns about consumer safety and misleading marketing. In response to this dizzying array of challenges, the field of neuroethics is working to develop guidelines for responsible innovation. International organizations are collaborating to establish global standards. The core idea is to be proactive, to build ethical considerations into the design of new technologies from the very beginning, ensuring transparency and accountability. Some are even calling for the creation of neuro rights, a new class of human rights designed for the 21st century. These could include the right to mental privacy, the right to personal identity, and the right to free will, safeguarding our minds from misuse. The road ahead is filled with both incredible promise and serious peril. Neurotechnology could revolutionize medicine and elevate human potential, or it could lead to a dystopian future of control and inequality. The outcome will depend not just on the genius of our scientists, but on our collective wisdom to navigate this complex ethical maze. That's why we need to have a broad, ongoing public conversation. The time to talk about the future of our own minds is now. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.